Nene,
I just had a drink.
Nene, get up. Go upstairs though, dog, for
I
real.
don't want my phone.
You good?
You trying to be funny.
No.
Oh, my chest hurt. And my stomach. Please don't do me.
I'm not.
Oh, I'm tired.
Nene,
I don't want my phone.
go to the car and go get it.
Bring it to. Oh, my muscles. Mama, don't do that.
Don't do what?
If I get my phone.
Nene, what did you drink?
I just had something.
What was it?
I'm good. Please.
Can you get up?
Come on.
Like for real though. Is the floor spinning?
It's just hot.
Take the jacket off.
Don't want to go.
But Nene, on the real though, get up.
I'm just tired. It's just I'm tired.
Go to the car.
I'm gonna open the court, but please, I'm embarrassed.
Nene, go to the car.
I'm trying to breathe. Just let me breathe.
Can you get up and go to the car and get my stuff out the car? Get
One more.
your phone. Your phone is in the car. Go. I'm disappointed because we could have made so much. We could have made a bunch of money tonight. Nigga, you went throwing up and shit. Get up.
I was sick.
What did you drink? How much Patron you had? You breathing?
I didn't want to lay down.
Get up. Come on, you need help?
You know my phone.
Your phone in the car.
I had started to die.
What TT? How she make it home? Cause y'all both was fucked up the same, like for real.
Ooh. If I balance myself, please just take me upstairs.
I can't help you with that
Please, I
one.
need to go. Come on.
This motherfucking boy. You horrible dog. Oh, that's why I'm fucking with drunk folks. Get up. Come on.
I'm not even, I'm inside.
No, you drunk and shit. You had a bunch of shots of stuff. Come on. Come on.
You know how you gotta breathe.
Give me your hand. Come on. Come on.
You finna take me.
You
right?
like the ring.
Okay. It's hot. Go get my phone. Come on.
You go get your own phone. I got my
That's
phone.
my poster board. I ain't even do.
That ain't no poster boy. That's the table. You finna cry? There she go with that crying shit. Nene. What you crying for? Huh? You finna pray? Because it's something you got to get up and go to church in the morning. You know that, right? Hmm? Where you gonna sleep at?
sick.
I know. Come on. Get up. I'm finna take you upstairs to your room. Come on.
Sick.
Come on, drunk girl.
It's not a joke.
Huh?
It's not nothing to laugh about.
I'm not laughing.
Let's go.
Come on, give me your hand. You got real teeth. You gonna make your eyelashes come off.
They falling off.
Oh, Jesus Christ, the Latter-day Saints.
They twine.
I'm talking about the plants. That's the damn shame gone.
I'm just tired. I'm real tired.
Mm-hmm. You making it?
I got it. Watch me.